Klinkby trades here. I just missed this one. I put it in a second too early or too late because this fair value gap seems to be holding, and this could be in a very easy trade. So, and I also looked into the trade we got right here, but didn't take it because I was on my way home from work. And what I noticed was that we could turn Asia high into a resistance level as we did, and then bounce off of and then go up. So missed opportunities left and right today, but I will wait and see if we get another entry. And at this point I think I'm a fair value gap trader with some liquidity information, because as you can see there was a low here, so there would have been liquidity and then boom, go up again, as we did. So in this I think I know what I'm doing, but it's easy to say because you can buy here and then have a big stop loss and then still win, you know. So but I will pause until we get something good again. Okay, so now I maybe have found an entry up at this fair value gap here to the downside, because it rejects very hard on this one. Should we do it? I think we will. And how do I... Oh fuck, stop! Let me sell. Okay, I think I sell now. How do I... Fuck, shit, I'm cooked. Stop. Okay. And I think we actually could target these lows here. Okay, so now I also had the stop losses. Holy shit. It could have gone very, very wrong. I don't know. I must have, because I reversed the trade. So I bought off. Oh shit. I hope this... Okay, let me just see here. Positions. Do we have all? Yeah, I don't know what I did, but I think because it's the same one, I cannot see the difference or something like that. But the reason why I think this could be good is because we have been wobbling, consolidating up here for quite some time, and then we make big move down, go up again, get rejected, and on ES here we actually inversed this fair value gap right here. So I hope that we could start a bit of a downtrend, and we also inversed on the 5 minute. So I don't think this is too bad of a trade, but we will have to wait to see, I guess. But what we could, or what that could be very great, was a big push down to this low right here, and I think I would call that break even at this point. But now we go up again, so we can see if we just fucked and lost $200. Let me just do this because the market one here is accurate on time, where this updates every 5 seconds. And I might be cooked now. What is my stop at? What? Okay, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, actually. If I do, can I do orders here? Okay, let him cook. Oh, I'm cooked. Oh, what? Cancel, failed, working. Yeah, so I have my... But I can't see how much money I will lose on this one, because oh fuck, now we're up 300. This might end bad. Fuck. Chat. It was supposed to go at 200. Okay, I will... Can I close this? Hello? I'm gonna fucking lose my account because I don't fucking understand shit. Yeah, fuck. I'm cooked. I just lost the fucking account. GG. Ah. Yeah, I'm fucking retarded. So now I gotta buy a new one, and yeah, then we start from scratch. Fuck, man. Ah, yes. I want... Oh, this is end of day drawdown. I can actually might save this shit. But I will have to to log in a big time. Okay, now we do retardo trading. I don't want to do this. But I think... Because look, we take profit here. And if we just say 400. Or just put it here. Then we wait for it to go a bit more down. If we can. Okay. How many? I think I can do 5. Okay, we just enter here. Oh fuck, rejected. I don't know what maybe I can't do 5. I will do 2. I know I can do 2. What? Your account liquidation will... Oh, maybe it's because it's blown. Or what? Can I do 1? Yeah, I might be cooked. Yeah, okay. So it is because I'm fucked. Yes, I will have to get a new one, and then I will be back. Better and stronger, I guess. Yeah, this was a very stupid trade. Very, very stupid actually. But yeah, that is it for today, I guess.